Hi, I'm going to show you how to work through some problems that use commission to calculate people's income. So these questions come from the online worksheet. Maria is the first one. So Maria is paid completely by commission. So she earns 15% of her sales. So 15% of sales. And she sells 2,300 worth of items in a month. So her sales were 2,300. So she's paid straight by commission, which means that although she goes to work, if she doesn't sell anything, she won't get any money, which is a bit harsh. So let's work this out. So 15% multiplied by, or of 15% of 2,300 will be her income. So the first thing to do here is to change 15% to a decimal, and if your decimal point is before the 5, to convert to a decimal, you just hop the decimal place 2 places to the left, and that will be 0.15. Of becomes times and 2,300. So onto your calculator. 0.15 multiplied by 2,300. Enter is $345. So that would be her income for that month, which isn't a great deal. Okay, the next scenario we're going to look at is Cindy. So Cindy has a retainer. So she has a retainer which at least allows her to survive if she doesn't have any sales. So the retainer is $9,000 per month. Okay, and she earns 10% of her sales. So her commission is 10% of sales. So in one particular month, she sells $30,000 worth of goods. So $30,000 is her sales, and we're going to work out 10% of those. So 10% of these and plus her retainer of $9,000. So we'll just work that out on the calculator. Clear? So 10% is 0.1, so I might actually write that down. 0.1 multiplied by 30,000 plus 9,000. So converting it to a mathematical problem you can solve on your calculator. So 0.1 multiplied by 30,000, 1, 2, 3. Be careful of all these zeros. Plus 9,000, 9, 1, 2, 3, enter. So she earns $12,000 that month, which is quite a nice wage. So she earns $12,000. Now they can get more complicated than this, and the next one is a bit more complicated. So usually real estate is a tiered system of commission where you might earn a certain percentage on the first 250,000 and a smaller percentage on the next 250,000, and then perhaps an even smaller percentage of anything above 500,000. So that's a tiered system. Okay, the next person we're looking at is Jose, and Jose has a base salary, or a retainer as we call it, of $2,700 a month. Okay, his monthly sales quota, so here's a quota, and it's described in those problems as him being a vendor. So he has to reach the cap of 30,000 to retain his vendorship. So his quota, sales quota per month is 30,000. 30,000 per month. And he earns 10% commission on anything above 30,000. So 10% commission on anything above, on 30,000 plus, let's perhaps put that. Okay, and then he also has an added bonus commission of another 10% on sales above 39,000. So that would be 10% plus 10%, which is 20% commission on above 39,000. Okay. Right, so in one particular month, he sells 42,000. So his sales are 42,000 in 1 month. So work out his income. We need to find out his income. Okay? Okay, so the first thing we need to work out is the amount he gets 20% on. So 20% on anything above 39,000. So he would have $3,000 more than 39,000. And you can work that out by going 42,000, take away 39,000, and that's 3,000. Okay, so 20% of 3,000, and we'll leave a little spot for that there. Let's make that as working down the side. Right, so the next one is he gets 10% on anything above 30,000 but below 39,000. So that's going to be 9,000. So 10% of anything above 30,000 but below 39,000. So you'd go 39,000 minus 30,000. That's clearly 9,000. So he gets 10% of 9,000, equals that amount. Plus he gets his retainer, and that's 2,700. And we're asked to find his income to the nearest dollar. So let's work each of these out. So 20% is 0.2. So it's going to be 0.2 times 3,000. Clear? This is an easy way of doing it. 0.2 multiplied by 3,000? Yeah, 3,000. Go back. 3,000. 1, 2, 3. Enter. $600. And the next one is 10% of 9,000. So that's going to be 0.1 multiplied by 9,000. 1, 2, 3. Enter is 900. Now, it's always safer to, when you're working with quite a few numbers, to make sure you label them and list them so they're easy to work with. And now we simply need to total those together, and that will be his income. Okay, now it would have been better if I put the zeros underneath each other, but the first one is 0, second one is 0, and then we have 6, 9, and 7, so that's 15 and 7, which is 22. Carry the 2, and that's going to be 442. So it's 4,200. 4,200 is his income for that month. Okay, so there is some more questions for you to do on the online link that I sent you. So have a go at those, and I shall see you next lesson. Bye.